How to add a photo in YouTube comments. So if you want to add a photo in YouTube comments, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your YouTube application. After opening your YouTube, you need to just simply go and select a video in which you would like to add the comment. Once done, you need to go with the comments, which will be on the right side. And once you're on your comment, you need to go with the three dots, which will be on the right side of that comment. And here on the bottom, you will have an option of save. You need to tap on save. After saving, you need to go with the plus button, which will be in the bottom middle of your screen. And then you'll get this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply go with the drop down, which will be on the right side. Once you're on your drop down, you will have the comments option. You need to click on comments. But if you don't find the comments option, you need to go and flip your camera. After flipping, you will find the comments option. You need to go and click on comments. After that, go and select the comment that you've saved. Once done, you'll get this kind of interface. So you just need to simply take a shot or just record something and then go with next, which will be in the bottom right, and then go and post it. That's how you can add a photo in your YouTube comments. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.